Please press Enter to continue. As you can see, when trying to move forward, I receive a service unavailable message. This is a result of my browser not adding www to the beginning of the URL. If you come upon this message, please add www so that you may continue. On the next page, you will find an extensive drop-down menu. For the purposes of this class, we will be working with Blair Pre-Algebra 5th edition for homework. I've already pulled this up in another tab. Please keep in mind that in class we will be using Blair's Pre-Algebra 3rd edition. When homework is assigned, you will be told exactly what section to choose. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will be using the orientation section. Feel free to have your student do the same so that they can learn how this website works. As you can see, on the side of this problem, there is a Help Me Solve This and View an Example. As the Help Me Solve This says, this is a step-by-step walkthrough of the solution process for the exact exercise that you're currently working on. Did you notice at the bottom of the left window there is a status line that provides directions for the current step? When going through this tutorial, it will prompt you to interact so that you can learn how each of their problems works. As you can see, this says that my next answer is 7. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to choose to get it wrong. Not only does the pop-up let you know that you were wrong, it also tells you a way of finding the answer. At this moment, it's telling me exactly where the answer is. Most of the time, it will be simply a hint. When you have completed an exercise, you can either go to the next problem or try a similar version of the problem. If you're not completely comfortable with the problem you've just finished, it is highly recommended that you choose similar exercise. At any point in time, you can click one of the exercise numbers at the top in order to skip ahead and go back to a problem later. Upon completing the last problem, you'll want to press close. The screen right before you will let you know how many exercises you completed. It will also say how many you got incorrect. When turning in homework, this will be the screen needed unless told otherwise. For this screen, you will want to press Print Results. For my computer, I have a PDF option in the bottom left-hand corner of the print box. I would choose to save this as a PDF. And then after saving, would take the same PDF and email it to the teacher. If you are asked to print a specific exercise, what you will want to do is complete the exercise and then choose Print on the side of the exercise. Once again, you will want to do this as a save to PDF. If you get the problem wrong more than 3 times, on your third attempt, it will tell you what the correct answer is. And then instead of a check mark, you will have an X to let you know you got the problem wrong. In order to not have to turn in a wrong problem and to show that you have taken the time to learn the problem, press Similar Exercise and continue. As you can see, the X has been replaced by a check mark by doing a similar exercise. This is not cheating. This is learning how to do the problem. Exercises will be assigned. Keep in mind that online exercises can be used to replace paper exercises for homework. When exercises are not assigned, you are more than welcome to use this as a study guide in order to start to have a better comprehension of whichever subject your class is currently going over. A great section for making sure that your student is able to take their problems step by step is located at the bottom of each chapter. This is known as Section Coach. The Section Coach, or in our case, Math Coach, will have less exercises, but each exercise takes them through a breakdown of what exactly they are needing to do in that type of problem. As you can see, once the problem becomes bigger than the small screen, it will have a scroll bar. That is why it is important to learn how to print to the PDFs. When printing to a PDF, the entire screen beyond the bottom will be saved. This is the end of our tutorial for interactmath.com. If you have any questions, please feel free to send your instructor an email.